Hi everyone, this is Selina. I hope you're well. So welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. So today I'm bringing to you this very easy scrunchie. The free pattern will be available as always on my blog selinaveronique.com. I will be linking that in the down bar. For this project, you will be needing a 100% cotton yarn in a light 3DK weight. So I used Rico Essentials Cotton DK, I think it's called. I will be linking that in the down bar also. And it's really a nice yarn to crochet with. I also used a 4mm crochet hook. I used a tapestry needle and of course a pair of scissors, and you will also be needing an elastic and a 7-inch elastic band like so. So I used like a very basic elastic. And that's all you will be needing for this very easy project. I will be using US terms. Okay, so for this part of the project you are going to be creating a slip knot. Pop your hook through. And now we are going to be chaining 22. So just go ahead and chain 22. 1, 2, 3. So I've chained 22, as you can see, 22 chains. And now what we will be doing is counting 1, 2, and 3 chains from the hook and placing a half double crochet into that. So to create your half double crochet, you are going to wrap your yarn around your hook, go into that third chain, pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook, and pull a loop through those 3 loops, and this creates your half double crochet. And the first chain 2 is counts as a half double crochet. So now we are going to go into the next chain and place a half double crochet into that. And into the next chain and place a half double crochet into that, and into the next chain and place a half double crochet into that, and just place a half double crochet into each and every stitch until the end of this row. Okay, so this is your first row. So now for row 2 we are going to chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work. And this counts as your first half double crochet here with this first stitch. So we're just going to go directly into the second stitch and place our half double crochet into that second stitch right here, and into the next stitch another half double crochet, and into the next stitch a half double crochet. So just go ahead and place a half double crochet on top of your double crochets from the previous row. You are going to be going under these 2 loops here. So just go ahead and I'll show you how to finish off this row. Okay, so I've almost finished this row. I've gone into each and every stitch, but I still have the chain 2 right here from the previous row, into which we will be placing a half double crochet. So I just wanted to show you that, just so that you made sure you wouldn't forget this. So this is how it looks now, but it will straighten out as we go along. So now we will be chaining 2, turning our work, and this counts as our first half double crochet with this first stitch. So we're going to go directly into the second stitch and then into the next stitch, and just repeat row 2 until you reach the end of this row. Of course, don't forget the chain 2 from the previous row, and just repeat this for 70 rows in total. So once you have 70 rows, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so I've got my 70 rows in total, and I've fastened off my project and left a long tail for sewing in. So what we are going to be doing now is folding this part in half like this, and we are simply going to be sewing this seam together using the mattress stitch. So just use a piece of yarn and start sewing it in. I am going to zoom in to show you how I will be sewing this in. So for the mattress stitch, it's simple. Just go in one side like so, and then go directly into the other side of the project, and just go in and out until you've seamed this whole side up, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so I finished sewing my seam in, and what we are going to be doing now is gently turning this project inside out. So just try and turn it inside out as best you can, and then I'll meet you back to show you what to do once you've done that. So I've turned my project inside out, and now we've got to place the elastic band. So I've popped it like this through my needle. You can use a safety pin, anything that you prefer. And I'm just going to try as best I can and pull, scrunch this scrunchie up like this to be able to tie this elastic band. So just scrunch this up until you reach the other side, and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so I've got both sides of the elastic like so, and what I am going to be doing is just tying a double knot and make sure it's quite secure. So just tighten it really well like so, and that's it. We've popped our scrunchie together. It looks really nice, and now we are going to be seaming this part, so I'll just show you how to do that. So here we are. I've taken a piece of yarn. I'm just going to tie it. I'm going to pop all the loose ends inside the project just so then I don't have to sew them in. And now we are simply going to be sewing those parts together. So just go through the other side like this. I hope you can see it. It's not always easy to do like technical stuff on camera, but I hope it's clear. So just go ahead and sew it as best you can, and just go all the way around this scrunchie. I'm of course using the mattress stitch, but you can use whichever stitch that you prefer, and then go around, and then I'll show you how to finish off this project. So there we go, I finished this gorgeous scrunchie. It looks amazing. I fastened off and put the loose end inside the scrunchie. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for stopping by. Bye bye.